I have this 12-inch half circle. You could find these at Walmart, already pre-cut to the half circle, and I'm going to paint it in some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I gave it 2 coats. Once dry, I'm going to take my painter's tape and create some stripes. I use one piece as a spacer and then the longer piece to go across my board to cover every other line. I'm then going to take some Wise Owl Republic Red and go over the exposed areas. I did give this 2 coats and it will darken that red up. I'm applying the paint with a foam dabber. It kind of helps control the amount of paint you use. They work well. Once I gave it 2 coats, I'm going to remove my painter's tape and I'm going to set that aside. Next, I have a full 12-inch circle and I'm going to paint that in the Wise Owl Bowie. And you could just give the entire thing 1 good coat. I did put a little extra on the top portion or on 1/2 of the circle. I set that aside. I found these string beads from the Dollar Tree, and what I liked about them is they're square and the sides are kind of flat. So I'm going to go around the back side. This is the back side of the half circle that we painted, and I'm going to glue the beads along the edge. I'm going to take more painter's tape, and I have some stars here. I got these stars, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint all of them in Wise Owl Snow Owl. Placing them on this painter's tape just holds them kind of in place and makes it easier to paint. And I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. Once everything is fully dry, I'm going to take my half circle, and on the beads, I'm going to apply some hot glue. You want a good amount, and I'm going to flip it over and glue that half circle onto the bottom half of the full circle. Then I'm going to take my stars and scatter them above in the blue section. You can really just place them however you like. Once I had their placement, I'm then going to glue them down with the hot glue. I'm going to flip it over and just staple on this hanger before I move it forward. You can paint the back side. I have the word welcome, and I'm going to apply some Wise Owl chocolate. I did water it down a little bit to make it kind of look more like a stain. And then I'm going to glue that on the bottom left side of the half circle. And then I did take a little bit of white, and I'm just going to dab or dry brush some white over the brown. I'm going to use my Wise Owl Furniture Salve to help brighten up all this paint. I'm just applying it with a small art brush. And once that's applied, you're just going to take a cotton rag and just rub it in. And to finish it off, I found these hanging greenery bushes from the Dollar Tree in the floral section. I took 2 of them, and I'm going to stick them in that little slot and have them hang off the side of the round. And I think this came out adorable. I really hope you enjoyed it. You could pick any theme of your choice. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you could check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.